One snowy morning in Arendelle, Queen Elsa was walking through the forest. Snowflakes danced in the air, and the world looked like a winter wonderland. Suddenly, she heard a tiny sound, like a soft jingle. Curious, Elsa followed it and found something glowing in the snow. She bent down and saw a small fairy frozen inside a block of ice. "Oh no," Elsa said. "I must help her." Elsa used her magic to gently melt the ice. The fairy inside had delicate wings, pale blue like the sky, and she shivered as she woke up. "Where am I?" the fairy asked. "You're in Arendelle," Elsa said. "I'm Elsa. What's your name?" "My name is Lila," the fairy whispered. "I'm a sky fairy and I got lost in the snow. I was trying to find my way back to Pixie Hollow." Elsa smiled kindly. "Don't worry, Lila. I'll help you." Just then, a sparkle of light zoomed through the trees. It was Tinker Bell flying fast and worried. "Lila," Tinker Bell cried as she landed. "We've been looking everywhere for you." "Tinker Bell." Lila smiled weakly. "I missed you." Tinker Bell hugged her friend, but then noticed Lila's wings. "They're not glowing," Tinker Bell said. "She needs fairy dust. And fast." Elsa knelt beside them. "How can we get more fairy dust?" "We have to go to the Pixie Dust Tree," Tinker Bell said. "But it's deep in the fairy world. It's far and very hard to reach." Elsa stood tall. "Then we'd better go now." So Elsa, Tinker Bell, and Lila flew and glided through snowy skies and sparkling forests. Tinker Bell flew ahead, Elsa made bridges of ice, and Lila rode gently on the wind. Finally, they reached a secret door between the human world and the fairy world. Tinker Bell used her magic to open it, and in they went. Inside, everything glowed. The trees were tall and twinkling. Fairies flew everywhere, and the air was full of music and laughter. They rushed to the Pixie Dust Tree, where a kind fairy named Zarina sprinkled golden dust on Lila's wings. Lila gasped. Her wings sparkled and shimmered. She flew up into the air, laughing with joy. "I can fly again," she cried. "Thank you." Tinker Bell hugged her tightly. "I'm so happy you're okay." Elsa smiled and looked around at the fairy world. "It's beautiful here," she said. "But I must go back to Arendelle." Lila flew over and kissed Elsa on the cheek. "Thank you, Queen Elsa. I'll never forget your kindness." Tinker Bell added, "You're always welcome in Pixie Hollow." With a final wave, Elsa stepped back through the doorway, the snowflakes dancing around her. And from that day on, every time she saw a sparkle in the snow, she thought of the tiny fairy with the ice blue wings and her new friend, Tinker Bell.